Okay guys, so my car is running good, but I feel like at idle there's something off with my car, so I'm going to do a smoke test. I'm gonna take this off and feed it through here to see if there's somewhere in all of these vacuum hoses, if there's a slight leak somewhere where I am 100% sure there is. So I'm gonna try to find that. So I'm gonna set this up. Opening this up, this is the one I'm gonna use here. First time trying this thing out. Probably should read instructions, but I'm gonna be a man and just kind of figure it out or see. Okay, not gonna be able to do much of this because it says I'm supposed to. Okay, this is not helpful at all to my understanding. So power. Okay, so I'll be back. It needs baby oil. I'm sure it might be a shortage due to P. Diddy, but I'm gonna search and get some baby oil. Before that, I'm gonna connect it. It is smoking, so before I do that, I'm gonna connect. Let me see. Connect this. Okay, we get smoke. So let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna do it here. So much for having my hands clean. So, let's see. All right, we can see smoke coming from the waste gate. Okay, so after further inspection, what I can see is smoke coming from the actual turbo, which does not mean it's leaking. But I'm gonna have to check this down there out. But up here, I don't see any leaks. And you can see the amount of smoke coming out. It's just, there's no leaks here. Oop, I'll get that later. Just down here.